What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and I thank you for always coming back to see my videos. In case you're new here, you're welcome. Consider to subscribe, enable the bell button so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So guys, right now I'm in the village. The way you are seeing, that's how my village looks like. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I'm coming live from the village. I want to take a brief tour of my village with you guys. Someone asked me in the comment section that why are you always climbing mountains? No, it's just because our village is strategically located between mountains, and you can see that one is also a mountain right now, and today I'm gonna climb that mountain. It's another mountain here in our village, guys, and today I'm not alone. I'm with my bro here.
Yo, what's up guys? My name is Rick Rush. Today we are going to be climbing this mountain because by the way our village is in a valley like, because we are in between mountains. So guys, today we are going to be showing this mountain. This is another mountain. This is called Kaburara Mountain.
Yes.
So guys, you are going to enjoy.
So guys, you can check in this video's description, check for his link for YouTube channel. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. It is I am Rush. You can check in this video's description. And guys, we are coming close to 1K subscribers. Road to 1K subscribers. Kindly subscribe to my channel, guys, and don't miss out my latest videos, guys. So guys, I wanna show you how this beautiful mountain looks. That's how it looks like, and the way you are seeing me here, I'm like on top of it, but I have not yet climbed it, but I'm going to climb it up to the top and I show you how it looks like. So kindly guys, drop a comment in the comment section down below. If you enjoy my videos, let me know how you think about my videos, and give this video a thumbs up, for a like, and share it to your friends, guys. So guys, I can't wait to show you how our village is located. And this village, guys, is really blessed, because in most cases, some of the villages I've seen, this village is quite different from others, because the way you can see it, all the that side is green. You can see banana plants there, that side, even the other side, and the settlements, people settle there. So meaning that this village is really blessed, because some features like mountains and other tourist attractions are found here in this village, guys. So guys, let's show you how it looks like. The roads are really well constructed, depending on how our villages looks like.